Day 4.
Hi folks, welcome to the channel. Welcome to part 2 of my drive home from Spain to Ireland. Now, before I go any further, a little explanation, because as you all know, laptop stopped working. And it's a big disaster the more I've thought about it. If I don't get it fixed, it costs me a fortune. It's a small laptop, but it has to be powerful for a video editing. Oh, so it's a bit of a disaster. But anyway, I spilled coffee, and the coffee was, and it wasn't on the laptop. I wasn't worried about it. It did go onto the laptop, but it seems to have seeped in or something. So I'm not going to have it couldn't happen at the worst time, because I'm not going to have the opportunity to even get it looked at until I'm home. I'll go to PC work when I'm home. So the way I normally operate is I finish one completely, get my mind set on to the next one, do it. Now, because I've got several days ahead of me, I haven't even got enough stories to do several. So this could be the last video. I might do another one. I don't know who's going to be that interested in me working my way home anyway. But there you go. That's it. Flip's sake, things always work out in the end, one way or the other. This will be a good thing. But, and then my last video, it flopped. The horse riding, oh, it flopped. It's the worst video I've done when it comes to views. Way back near the start. So I'm going to stay away from horses when I'm doing videos. And then this. So anyway, I don't know all those bits I put together, and I probably will take a notion and record a bit more here, there and everywhere on the way home, and just stick it all together. But they're not, so there'll be no more video. Oh, not the use. So yeah, sorry, this is the first video in way over a week. Although this is only a few days later. Does that make sense? Anyway.
Flashback.
French border.
Day 3.
I'm excited to get back into France. I love driving through France. There's just a great vibe. Although it does look like it's going to rain. It's strange. I've just been led onto the smallest wee road through that very busy, like, border town. The tiny road. Very strange. Did I go the wrong way? Google hasn't said on here. Must be okay. France. I've got 3 days in France, but I haven't decided yet where I'm going to stop. So for today, I'm just going to drive and drive until I feel like looking for a hotel. But it's wonderful. Isn't this beautiful? And there's thousands of wee towns and villages just like it. I'm only back in France 20 minutes, and I'm remembering how stunningly beautiful it is. Everywhere I've been so far in France has been amazing. If you remember, anyone who's watched my videos last year, when I drove up through France, I couldn't praise it enough. Well, now I'm at the opposite side of France, and it's just, oh, so beautiful. Manicured, everything's tidy, the roads are nice. It's definitely something that's been kept a secret from me. Other than the fact that we're driving on the right hand side of the road, you'd think it was Northern Ireland. And Northern Ireland is this pretty. Minus the heat, unfortunately.
Three hours later.
It's funny, I was coming on to say I've arrived at the town that I'm going to stay in tonight, which is Bayonne in France. But it's 7.5 kilometers to go. But I've just spotted my hotel
In 300 meters, at the roundabout, take the first exit onto Avenue du 8 Mai 1945.
Hotel. Right, I'm gonna go and search for a little. These wee cheap hotels are never in good locations when it comes to shops or anything, so I'll get my food in now. Reminds me of Bordeaux. It's all wee side roads and quaint. Except for this bit, I'm on a big bit. Little sign. They're never hard to find. Ugliest looking little I've ever seen.
20 minutes later.
So back to bonjour and merci. That's my French. That's another language I can speak. What do you tell you? That little, so much cheaper than any of the ones in Spain. Like miles cheaper. I will show you. No apple turnovers, but I knew that. What to do? I don't know what you call it. We call it French toast. Oh wow, that's not what I was going to show you. Like 5-pack, bigger bars, 149, 179 in Spain for 3, and they weren't the bigger bars. 150 for a big bag of Maltesers. I didn't even buy Maltesers in Spain, they were so expensive. Don't know what everything else was, I was just looking at the price of sweets really.
The next day.
Back in the beautiful countryside of France, heading north. You know, this whole drive, as I said, I went toll free, and since I've got into France, you're either on older motorways, which are fine, or just stunning countryside, beautiful villages. If you're not in a hurry, don't go toll, just tell Google avoid tolls, because it's going to bring in some lovely spots. I think the whole drive right up through France is only an hour and a half longer, going toll free. Fantastic. I'm just driving along here thinking, what next? I'm going home to get my car MOT'd, get a few things sorted out, but also my dad, who hasn't been well for a while, has taken a bad turn and he's in the hospital, and he lives on his own and he doesn't want to ever go into a home or anything, and everybody's struggling with their own lives and trying to look after my dad. So it's going to be an interesting period for me. I want to get back to Spain before the hot weather ends, but I'll just have to wait and see exactly what's going to happen. Isn't this beautiful? Every time I drive through France, it more attracted to it. It's just fantastic, just beautiful, stunning place.
End of flashback.
So I'm staying in budget hotels the whole way home. I've stayed in these type of budget hotels before. I'll show you. This one is called Hotel F1. I'm staying in three or four of those on the way back. I'll show you a few wee clips of this room. It's very, very, very basic hotel. There's no bathroom, no shower or anything. You have a sink, a nice, very clean bed, nice comfortable bed always when you stay in them. And it's only €42 per night, and then 5 each for the 2 dogs. So I like staying in these, but definitely they're not for comfort at all, you know. And the other type that I'm staying in, I forget the name, I'll put it up at the bottom of the screen, and they're about €10 more a night, very similar but slightly better quality. They've got a bathroom and just finished a slightly higher spec, but no real difference because I just sleep in them. I mean, I've arrived here now, it's 6:20, fed the dogs, walked the dogs. I'm going to go now for a walk, try and get something to eat, back, watch TV for a while, go to bed. My plan on this trip the whole point of me taking my time getting home was every night I was going to sit and to put a video together. Your computer.
Flashback.
I imagine a nice piece of French music will be put in during the editing at this point. Dogs just had a pit stop. So this is the second last leg of the journey up through France. I'm going to a hotel in La Rochelle, which is on the coast, and then tomorrow a drive to Cherbourg on the last stint for the ferry to Rochelle. But this place I'm going to today, it's right on the coast, looking forward to it. I want to get the dogs into the sea if I can. And again, just miles and miles and miles of beauty, friendly people, and always give you a smile back when you smile at them. From what I've seen, decent drivers. Right, pups, you ready? 2 hours to go. This was 5.5 hours today in total. So, 2 hours. Onward and upward. The more I've driven this past 2 years, the more I've enjoyed it. I mean, I'm someone that's always loved driving, but I didn't really like distances. But now I do these sort of 3, 4, 5 hours drives, and I actually enjoy them. So it's like anything, the more you do something, you're either going to like it more or hate it more. Fortunately for me, it tends to be like it more. Isn't this stunning scenery? Don't know if I got that. It was very late getting the camera out.
2 hours later.
So for the last year, I have been looking at the Mediterranean. And now, after driving right up through France, I'm about to see. Is it Atlantic? It's the Bay of Biscay, I know that. I think below the English Channel. Yeah, I think it's the Atlantic. But it's the Bay of Biscay. There it is. Buster and Molly, I think they're going for a swim in the Bay of Biscay. Oh, that's annoying. See, I seen it, then stuck a camera out. I haven't been able to see it yet since. There's a bank the whole way along. It's over there.
End of flashback.
I'm going to leave it off there. If you enjoyed the video, peace. Thumbs up, subscribe, comment, would be great. Till next time, bye for now. Oh, by the way,
72 hours later.
for any of you who've watched me from the start, there are 2 things I was unable to get anywhere in Europe. One of the advantages of being back home, I've got them. Number 1, peppered sauce. Number 2, garlic butter. And I'm going to leave the video off there. If you enjoyed it, thumbs up, subscribe, be brilliant. See you next time. Bye for now.